Hi everyone, my name is Stacia Varga, and welcome to my course, Designing SSIS Integration Solutions. I'm a consultant and author at Data Inspirations, and I've been working with SSIS since its initial release in 2005, and I've been designing and implementing data integration solutions for much longer than that. SSIS is a great tool that you can use to build data integration solutions, and it's especially good for data warehousing projects. Although it's pretty easy to build out SSIS packages, it's important to put some thought into what you want to build so that you have consistency across multiple packages, which makes it easier to maintain and troubleshoot over time. In this course, I'm going to show you how to think about developing requirements for a data integration project and show you design patterns for developing SSIS to support a data warehouse. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include understanding where the SSIS design process fits into a project, SSIS concepts and terminology, and characteristics of preparing solid ETL requirements and design documents. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use this information to design your own SSIS data integration solutions, whether it's for a data warehouse or some other type of data. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with relational database concepts and know how to write SQL statements. And then once you complete this course, you should feel comfortable diving into other SSIS courses. So come on, join me on this journey of designing SSIS integration solutions at Pluralsight.